How is artificial intelligence reshaping the rugged landscapes of mining? As industries worldwide harness the power of AI, mining is not being left behind. Focused on enhancing efficiency and bolstering safety, artificial intelligence is revolutionizing how mining operations unfold. From complex data analysis to real-time decision-making, AI's role is pivotal. It streamlines operations, reduces errors, and ensures safer environments. One standout example is the optimization of mine haul trucks, a game-changer in operational efficiency. Dive into a real-world scenario where AI dramatically enhances mine haul truck operations. Let's explore how a prominent mining company, we'll call them Terra Miner, tapped into the power of artificial intelligence to revolutionize their fleet management. Terra Miner faced challenges with fuel inefficiency and safety risks in their haul truck operations. To address these issues, they introduced an AI system designed to optimize every aspect of their haul trucks' journeys. This system uses sophisticated algorithms to analyze a wealth of data points, from truck speed and load capacity to fuel consumption and route efficiency. The AI system works by gathering real-time data from sensors installed on each truck. This data is then processed to provide actionable insights. For instance, the AI can predict the optimal speed and route for a truck based on its current load and the overall traffic in the mine. It also adjusts operational parameters to minimize fuel consumption without compromising on delivery times. The outcomes have been transformative. Terra Miner has seen a significant reduction in fuel usage, which not only cuts costs, but also reduces their environmental footprint. Safety has seen a notable improvement as well, with fewer incidents due to the AI's capability to predict and mitigate potential risks before they become issues. Additionally, the overall efficiency of haul operations has improved, with a smoother flow of traffic and better load management. Feedback from mine operators has been overwhelmingly positive. They've noted not just the measurable improvements in cost and safety, but also the enhanced operational visibility that AI provides. This case study not only shows the potential of AI in mining, but also sets a benchmark for future technologies. Let's unpack the benefits that AI brings to haul truck operations.